Well, 2018 is almost over. Crypto has been in this bear market for almost a year now. People who are holding think every little bounce is the big reversal. Now is the time we need to understand something. We need to understand that 2017 bull run was simply overhyped, speculation, dumb money, and pure FOMO. We need to understand a lot of the ICOs have failed, and there will be plenty more to follow. It's time we change our focus from worrying about the price to the things that are actually going to matter in this space. We need to be patient, as the space is maturing. It could be years before we see mass adoption. Understand that investors are in no rush to enter the market. They are letting the prices come to them while the market figures out regulations, futures, and which tokens will actually stick around. So what does this mean for me? Well, for those of us who stuck around during this bear market, we've learned a lot. Hopefully we all understand that this space needs growing. We are only in the first inning of what will be an extra inning game. Now that most of the get-rich-quick money has left the market, we are left with serious investors who believe in the technology. If you believe in the technology, then you have nothing to worry about. If you came into this market with a get-rich-quick mentality, you are most likely in disbelief. This is part of the market cycle we are currently experiencing anyway, so disbelief is okay. Whether it's capitulation or stabilization, it's healthy for the market. For us in the crypto zoo, we should view this as a fresh start. I'm done shilling my bags. After the irrational run of 2017, altcoins and ICOs started flooding the market, most of which will eventually crash and burn if they haven't already done so. Sure, I believe in my investments, but just because I believe in them doesn't mean you should. I believe each investment needs serious research, extensive study, and a close following. We need to see real growth within the communities. We need to focus on projects, roadmaps, beta testing, hackathons, and real-life applications. We need to focus on technological developments rather than who said what in the news. If you are part of the Crypto Zoo Discord, then you have been receiving a lot of news from our news analyst G-Man and myself. Moving forward, we will only be sharing news that actually matters. There are too many news headlines that are being passed around from all walks of life, bullish, bearish, manipulative, etc. Most of these are junk or FUD. Plus, these big news stories that we've been hearing about have not impacted the market whatsoever, or at least to any extent we had imagined. The market is going to do what it wants, not what we want, which brings me to my next point. I've jumped off the prediction wagon. I have seen too many expert opinions and predictions that have not only turned out wrong, but ended up not anywhere close to accurate. In the Discord, I have a whole section of predictions I've made for 2018 to 2019, all of which I can say are complete bullshit looking back. The bottom line is this. If someone says they know what the price of a token will be, especially within a given time frame, they're full of shit. No one knows the price nor the projects will exist in the coming years. This space is evolving faster than ever, but that doesn't mean the price will too. We need to understand this is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient. We need to be asking ourselves, where will we be in 5 years? Because that's what really matters. We need to get over the fact that the 2017 bull run will not happen again anytime soon, and instead focus on where we will be in 2019, 2020, 2021, and so forth. Again, if you don't believe in the technology, then this space isn't for you. If you believe and have patience, you will be rewarded handsomely. 2017 did bring more awareness to the crypto space, but we are still a long way from mass adoption. If we are active in the crypto space with this mentality, any run or huge price gains will just be icing on the cake. Surviving this market will be simple, and you will earn your spot to financial freedom. But you must believe. Thanks for watching.